Hey everybody, Professor Benelou here to officially welcome you to HIST 101. I'm excited to kick off this semester and I want to give you a look into what we will be doing in Unit 1. Firstly, our first chat will be held on November 12th. Check your class time for the schedule. Also, your Unit 1 due date is extremely important. Friday, the 15th, you will have two things due. Firstly, you will have your Unit 1 determined knowledge due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Every Friday, you will have determined knowledge due. It's very important to complete determined knowledge by the Friday deadline because completing the determined knowledge allows the system to create the learning path or nodes that you must complete by the Tuesday and telepath due date. So very, very important to get that done. And also, it cuts down on your workload. So who wouldn't want that, right? The second thing you have due on Friday, the 15th, is your Unit 1 discussion board. This is fun. I enjoy this assignment a lot. It's where you introduce yourself to the class and we get to know each other, which I absolutely love. I love reading about everybody and I just love reading those posts. I honestly do, and getting to know one another. It's great. It's how we network. It's how we connect. It's awesome. Okay, so I am so looking forward to kicking off the semester. I cannot wait to meet all of you. Have a good week, everybody, and do not hesitate to contact me if you have absolutely any questions.